Okay guys, Cape Coast slaves were brought here to be taken to the Caribbean, to America, to Europe, together with Dakar, one of the most important castles for the trade slaves. Cañones, bolas para el cañón, niños, etcétera, etcétera. Impresionante.
They fall down, they were sold to the highest bidder, so we have one council who can say, I'm giving $10. You know your bank is arms. Their companies that
Bello scorcio, the palm, è un cañón, ahí è un cañón, serie de cañones, castillo per la trata de los esclavos. Okay. If you want to submit me, you can, you can't submit me.
No. We wanted to leave the white mother, now I don't want to leave the white mother right now. After
Here they were evaluating for the money for each slave, tall, short, black, darker, lighter, giving the value to each slave.
and it was the same place some of the females.
Serie de cañones. Cañón y bolas de cañón.
In 1992, the Garden National Housing Chief presented this decision showing the involvement in such injustice doesn't repeat itself. Any questions? Then I'll leave you with my name, Francisca, which means freedom.
Okay, after the castle, I asked for advice. They told me to come to Taco Bell, okay, to eat something. This is Taco Bell. I'm eating some great Ghanaian food. Okay, Taco Bell in Cape Coast. This is my kitchen. Very good food, had rice, fish. Was very, very good. Taco Bell in Cape Coast. This is Winneba getting to Accra. Never seen so many fisher boats and flags at once. Winneba, 50 kilometers from Accra. Okay guys, slowly getting into Accra, Ghana. Okay guys, I'm in Accra. Okay, I bought a new jacket, as you can see, a new spring for the rear suspension, which I have to attach. That's in Togo. There's apparently a KTM in Togo still existing, apparently, hopefully. So yes, off to Togo from Accra. Okay. Ci vediamo in Togo. Sweet platanos. Ciao babuno! Ehi babuni! Babuni buni buni! Ah, un babuno! Che puttana! Such a beautiful language.
Yeah.
I feel at home when I speak English.
You sure?
Yes.
I guess you're going to the
Huh?
guest house over there, right?
Is there a guest house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we're just hiking.
How's it called? too, bye bye, see you.